So good evening all of you, and this is Umesh sir in front of you, and this is a new initiative for English medium students, especially for English medium students, that we are going to start a new session on Indian history for GS prelims, UPPCS GS prelims 2022. So actually this is importantly we have made it for the students who are regularly watching our videos and very interested in our videos. So this is the all matters in English, the very important facts which are asked in examination of UPPCS. So I am going to present this video in front of you, and you have to write it down if you want it, or you want it to listen, you can listen it. Better is that you should write it and learn it properly. They are very important facts for examination. So let's see what is in the video. We are going to complete first of all ancient history in a complete single video, then we will go for medieval history and then for modern. So now we started. साथ ही हमारे हिस्ट्री ऑप्शनल, सोशियोलॉजी ऑप्शनल और हिंदी साहित्य और बहुत सारे ऑप्शनल चल रहे हैं, और जो लोग ये मान के चलते हैं कि उनका शॉर्ट प्रीलिम्स निकल जाएगा और साथ ही साथ ऑप्शनल तैयार करना चाहते हैं, तो दिए हुए नंबर पर संपर्क करके ऑप्शनल को ज्वाइन कर सकते हो आप। तो कोई सा भी ऑप्शनल यदि आपने रखा है, अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो ऊपर दिए हुए नंबर पर कॉल कर सकते हैं। और अगर आपकी कोई समस्या भी है, जैसा मैंने हमेशा कहा है, आप उससे संबंधित कोई आपकी समस्या पढ़ाई से संबंधित यदि कोई है तो उसके संबंध में यदि मुझसे कुछ पूछना चाहते हो, मैं आपके किसी काम आ सकता हूँ, तो ये सारी सुविधाएं आपको निःशुल्क मैंने बताया है, बिना किसी लोभ लालच के दी हुई हैं। आप उसको मुझसे इसी नंबर पर संपर्क करके व्हाट्सएप करके बात कर सकते हो और अपनी समस्या का निदान जहाँ तक मेरे हद में आता है वो मैं कर सकता हूँ। और जो लोग मुझसे जुड़े हुए हैं उनको मैंने बहुत ही संतुष्टिपरक तरीके से उनको अपने कार्य को निभाया है, वो ये बात जानते हैं। आने वाले समय में भी आशा करता हूँ मैं ऐसा करता रहूँ। तो अगर आप ऑप्शनल हमारे ऑप्शनल्स में इंटरेस्टेड हैं, जीएस में इंटरेस्टेड हैं, तो आप डायरेक्टली कोर्सेज भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। So now we will see Rigvedic gods. Indra, he was the most important divinity. He played the role of warlord, leading the Aryan soldiers to victory against demons. He was associated with the thunder and storm, and he addressed by various names: Ratheshtha, Jitendra Somapa, Purandar, Varitrahan, and Maghayam. Agni, he was the second important divinity. He was intermediary between gods and men. Varuna, he was the upholder of Rita नहीं है, Rit, or cosmic order or natural order. He personified water. Soma, he was considered to be the god of plants. An intoxicant drink was called Soma. Yama, he was the guardian of world of dead. Surya, similar to the Greek god Helios. Savitri, the famous Gayatri mantra is addressed to Savitri. Pushan, lord of Jangalpati. The main function was that the guarding of roads, herdsmen and cattle. Vishnu, a relatively minor god at that time. Vayu, wind god. Dayos, father of heaven. Aditi, goddess of eternity. Maruts, storm spirits. Gandharv, divine musicians. Original homes of Aryan. So this is the theory given by different people. Origins, original नहीं है, origins, from where the Aryans were originated. So there were different kinds of theories given by different scholars. So here we will see Central Asia, Arctic region, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, or South North Pole also. Central India, Rajbali Pandey. Kashmir, L.D. Kala. Central Asia, Max Muller. Tibet, Dayanand Saraswati. German plain, Professor Penka. Pamir's Mayer. Steppes, Brandstein. Turkestan, Hursfield, Bactria, J.C. Road, Sapta Sindhu, A.C. Das. Then rivers mentioned in Rig Veda: Sindhu, Indus, Vitasta, Jhelum, Askini, Chena, Purushni, Ravi, Vipasha, Byas, Satudri, Satluj, Gomal, Gomati, Krumu, Kurram, Drishdoti, Ghaggar, Kubha, Kabul, Suvastu, Swat. Buddhism. When Siddhartha went on the tour of Kapilavastu, he saw the following four scenes respectively: an old man, this you have to learn what he saw first and then second and then fourth, third and fourth. A sick person, a dead body, a sannyasi. Home renunciation by Mahatma Buddha at the age of 29 was called Mahabhinishkraman in Buddhism. This is very important. After relinquishing home, Siddhartha took the education of Sankhya philosophy from Rudrak Ramputra at Alar Kalam in Vaishali. Rudrak became the first guru of Ramaputra Siddhartha. After 6 years of hard penance without taking food and water, Mahatma Buddha attained enlightenment at the age of 35 under the peepal tree in Uruvela, Bodh Gaya. The attainment of this knowledge was given to him on the full moon day of Vaishakh. Night was received on the bank of river Niranjana, Falgu. Mahatma Buddha gave his first sermon at the Saranath, Rishipatnam. In the Buddhist tradition, it is known as Dharma Chakra Pravartan. The Buddhist Sangha was established in Sarnath itself. Mahatma Buddha gave his teaching to the general public in Pali language. Bimbisar, Udayan and Prasenjit were the main followers of Buddha. The foundation of idol worship in India was laid by Buddhism. After Alar Kalam, Siddhartha took education from Rudrak Ramputra of Rajgir. At Uruvela, Siddhartha got 5 seekers named Kaundinya, Vap, Bhaddiye, Mahanama, Asagi. Major events of Buddha's life: Janm, birth, lotus and bull; Mahabhinishkraman, renunciation, horse; Nirvana or Sambodhi, Bodhi tree; Dharma Chakra Pravartan, wheel; Mahaparinirvan, stoop. Buddhist councils. There were 4 Buddhist councils that happen in different times. They are majorly asked in question paper many times. So remember this. First took place in 483 BC, Rajgirah, and Mahakashyap was the chairman or Adhyaksh. So it was organized by Ajatshatru. Then second, 383 BC, Vaishali, Sabbakami was chairman, and it happened in the time of Kalashok. Then third, Pataliputra, Mogliputra in the time of Ashok. Fourth, in Kundal 1, Vasumitra, the time of Kanishka. Buddhist universities: Nalanda, Badagaon, Kumar Gupta was founder. Vikramshila, Bhagalpur, Dharampal. Sompuri, North Bengal, Dharampal. Jagadai, Bengal, Rampal. Odantapuri, Bihar Sharif, Gopal. Vallabhi, Gujarat, Bhatark. Gautam Buddha, the founder of Buddhism, is called the light of Asia in Sir Edwin Arnold's book, based on Lalit Vistar. Mahatma Buddha gave his most sermons Kausal, the capital of country. Given in Saraswati, he made Magad his propaganda center. The chief disciples of Mahatma Buddha were Upali and Anand. Mahatma Buddha reached Kushinagar, located on the bank of the Hiranyavati river, in the last phase of his life, where in 483 BC left his body in 80. This is known Mahaparinirvana in Buddhist tradition. Before death, Mahatma Buddha gave his last sermon to Subadh. After Mahaparinirvana, the remains of Buddha were divided into 8 parts. There are 3 gems of Buddhism: Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha. There are 4 notable noble truths at the base of Buddhism. These are sorrow community, sorrow nirodha gamini pratipada, that is 8-fold path. Buddha spoke of the 8-fold path to get rid of this worldly sorrows. These means are right vision, right will, right speech, right action, right living, right exercise, right memory, right meditation. The 8-fold path has been called the welfare friend of monks. Buddhism is basically atheistic. In fact, Buddha emphasized on human dignity in the place of God. Buddhism is atheistic, which means it does not believe in God. It believes in reincarnation. Buddhism has opposed the caste system and the organization of Buddha Sangh was based on republican system. Borobudur Buddhist Stoop, which is the largest and only stoop of its kind in the world, it was built by Shailendra kings in central Java, Indonesia. The description of Panchashil Siddhant of Buddha is found in Chandogya Upanishad. Sachi, Bharhut, Amravati rock pillars of Ashoka, Buddhist cave of Karle, Ajanta, Ellora, Bagh, Barabar caves are the best examples of Buddhist architecture and paintings. The source of Buddha Eightfold Path is the Taittiriya Upanishad. The stories of Buddha's previous birth, Jatak tales, are described in Sutta Pitak. The great commentator of Buddhist scripture is Buddha Ghosha. Maitreya, who will incarnate in the future, will be known as Sambhavat Buddha. Sambha. Successive events related to the life of Buddha, Lumbini, Bodh Gaya, Sarnath and Kushinagar. A compilation of Buddha's discourses is in the Sutta Pitak. The Sarnath Buddha statue of Bhumi Sparsh Mudra is related to Gupta period. In Mahayana Buddhism, the Bodhisattva Avalokiteshvar is known by the other names of Padmapani. The standing statue of Buddha was made in the Kushan period. The largest and the most developed rock-cut Chaitagriha of Himalayan is located in Karle. The branch of Vajrayana Buddhism was most influential in the Sultani era. Nagarjuna Buddhist monk who went to China in the 1st century AD and translated Buddhist work into Chinese language, he was called Einstein of India. The rise of Mahayana sect is believed to be in Andhra Pradesh. Mahayana is the excellent path. Hinayan was low-lying and orthodox. People of Hinayan sect have been found in countries like Sri Lanka, Burma, and Java, Indonesia. Nihilavad, Madhyalaya, Vigyanavad, Yogachar are the part of Mahayana sect. Jainism. Rishabdev was the founder of first Tirthankar of Jainism. The 23rd Tirthankar of Jainism was Parshvanath. This Parshvanath was the son of Ikshvaku dynasty king Ashvasen of Kashi Varanasi. He accepted the life of sannyas at the age of 30. The 24th Tirthankar of Jainism was Mahavir Swami. Mahavir Swami accepted ascetic life after the death of his parents at the age of 30 after taking permission of his elder brother Nandivardhana. The principle of Anekantavad, Syadvad, and the philosophy and the Anuvrat doctrine belongs to Jainism. The basic principle of Jainism is non-violence. Syadvad itself is called Anekantavad, the ability to express a substance in many forms. Or Saptabhangiya Nyaya, there can be 7 elements of matter due to partial knowledge. The idol of Bahubali, idol of Gomateshwar, was built by a minister of Ganga dynasty of Mysore. Jain temples in Khajuraho were built by Chandel rulers. The mention of some Jain Tirthankars is found in the Kesi Sukta of Rigved. A very interesting description of Mahavir's penance and body tribulation has been found in Jain text Acharang Sutra. Other Jain texts are Thori Gatha, Sutra Kritang, Brihat Kalpa Sutras. Bhadrabahu and his followers were called Digambar, and Gross Bhadrabahu and his followers are called Shvetambar. Ujjain and Mathura were the major centers of Jains in North India. After the death of Mahavir, the first president of Jain Sangha was Sudharman. The state that patronized Jainism in the south were Gangas, Kadambas, Chalukyas and Rashtrakutas. Rashtrakud king Amogvarsh was a Jain monk. He composed the book Ratnamalika. Among the kings Udayan, Bimbisar, Ajatshatru, Chandragupta Maurya, Bindusar, Kharavela are considered supporters of Jainism. The period of Parshvanath is 250 BC from Mahavir Swami is believed his followers were called Nirgranths. The 4 great vows propounded by Parshvanath are Satya, Ahimsa, Aparigraha, Aste. In the 4 Mahavrats propounded by the predecessor Parshvanath, Mahavir added the 5th Mahavrat Brahmacharya. Mahavir gave his teachings in Prakrit Ardha Magadhi language. It was the main language of Jainism. Mahavir Swami divided his disciples into 11 Gandhars during his lifetime. 10 Gandhars died and only Sudharman was alive. After the death of Mahavir Swami, Sudharman became the president of Jain Sangha. After the death of Sudharman, Jambu was the president of Sangh for 44 years. The 3 jewels of Jainism are right philosophy, right knowledge, right conduct. Mahavir Swami believed in reincarnation and karmaism. There is no belief of God in Jainism. Mathura was famous center of Jainism and the post-Mauryan era. Biography of Jain Tirthankars, Kalpa Sutra, composed by Bhadrabahu. Mahavir Swami died at the age of 72 in 1527 BC. It took place in Pavapuri, Rajgir of Bihar state. A special emphasis has been given on austerity and non-violence in Jainism. Parshvanath allowed the monks to wear clothes, but Mahavir Swami preached to completely naked. Yeti life is considered essential attaining salvation of Jainism. Yapniya was a sect in Jainism. The founder of Ajivak sect was Makhali Ghoshal. Jain Tirthankars ऋषभदेव, अजितनाथ, संभवनाथ, अभिनंदन, सुमितनाथ, पदम प्रभु, सुपर सावंत, सुरिधि, चंद्रप्रभ, शीतलनाथ, श्रेयसनाथ, वासुपूज्य, विमलनाथ, आनंदनाथ, धर्मनाथ, शांतिनाथ, कुंठनाथ, अरनाथ, मल्लीनाथ, मासुरनाथ, नेमिनाथ, अरिष्टनेमि, पार्श्वनाथ, महावीर. Rise of Mahajanpadas. A list of 16 Mahajanpadas is found in the Jain text Bhagavati Sutra and Buddhist text Anguttara Nikaya. Among the 16 Mahajanpadas, Asmak was the only district that was situated on the banks of Godavari river in South India. There is a mention of Sri Krishna in the Chandogya Upanishad. In it, Krishna is described the disciple of Devki's sage Ghora Angiras. In the Jain religious text Uttaradhyan Sutra, Vasudev, who is also called as Keshava, is described as the contemporary of Aristonemi, the 22nd Tirthankar. Vishnu is mentioned in the Atreya Brahman as the supreme deity. Although the maximum number of incarnation of Vishnu is 24, but 10 incarnations are mentioned in Matsya Purana. The name of Krishna is not found in these incarnations because Krishna himself is an incarnation of the Lord. Varaha avatar was the most popular of Vishnu's avatar. The mention of Varaha is also found in Rigveda. Megasthenes called Krishna Heracles. Mahajanpadas. So you have to remember the capitals of every Mahajanpad. This question is asked very frequently in every examination. Matsya, it was in Rajasthan. Viratnagar. Kamboj, it was in northwest frontier province in Afghanistan. Here, this is not Rajput. This is Hatak. Vajjiz, Vaishali, Asvak, Patan, Ang, Champa, Vats, Kaushambi, Kashi, Banaras, Avanti, Ujjaini and Mahishmati, Kausal, Shravasti, Shursen, Mathura, Magad, Girivaraj और पाटलिपुत्र, चेदी, शुक्तिमती, पांचाल, अहिछद्र और काम्पिल्य, मल्ल, कुशीनगर और कुशीनारा, कुरूज, इंद्रप्रस्थ, गांधार, तक्षशिला. Shaivism. Preliminary information about Shiva Bhakti is received from the Indus Valley. Those who worship Lord Shiva are called Shaivism, and the religion related to Shiva is called Shaivism. Megasthenes in 4th century BC, Shaivism mentioned in Indica. Shaivism is called Lakulish Pashupat or Maheshwar. The first clear mention of Ling worship is found in Matsya Puran. The first mention of Shaiva sect was in Patanjali's Mahabhashya under the name of Shiv Bhagavat. In the Vaman Puran, the number of Shaiva sects has been mentioned as 4 of these: Shaiv, Pashupat, Kapalik, Kalamukh. Shaivis, according to this sect, the doer of Shiva, the cause is the power and material point. Pashupat, this is the oldest sect of Shaivism. The founder of this sect was Lakulish or Nakulish, who is considered one of the 18 incarnations of Lord Shiva. The presiding deity of Kapaliks was Bhairav, who is believed to be the incarnation of Shankar. Kalamukh, the followers of this sect have been called Mahavratadhar in Shiva Puran. They take food, water and drinks in the male skull and also rub the ashes of the pyre in the body. Lingayat sect. Shaivism also expanded in South India, Karnataka. The worshippers of this religion was called Lingayats or Jangams in South India. In the Basav Puran, the originator of this sect, Alab Prabhu, and his disciple Basava is mentioned. This sect is called the Veer Shaiv Shiv Sampradaya. Shaivism was propagated in South India by Nayanar and Adiyar saints. This is very important point. These were 63 in number. His collection of shlokas is called Trimu. It is said to have been compiled by Nambi Andala Nambi. Vaishnavism. The earliest information about Vaishnavism come from the Upanishads. The development of this religion from the Bhagavat religion itself is in the 6th century BC happened almost. The first mention of Sri Krishna is found in the Chandogya Upanishad. It is Sri Krishna is described as the son of Devaki and the disciple of the sage Ghor Angiras. The founder of Vaishnav or Bhagavat religion was Vasudeva Krishna. The devotees or worshippers of Vasudeva Krishna were called Bhagavat. The maximum number of incarnation of Vishnu is 24, but there is mention of 10 incarnation in Matsya Puran. These 10 incarnations are Matsya, Kurma, Kachap, Varaha, Narsingh, Vaman, Parshuram, Ram, Balram, Buddha and Kalki or Kali. The earliest first mention in the divinization of Vasudeva as human hero comes from Panini's Ashtadhyayi. The first clear mention of incarnation and the principle of Bhagavad Dharma is found in Bhagavad Gita. The Greek ambassador Heliodorus, resident of Takshashila, established the Garuda pillar 1st century BC. The details of Sankarshan, Balram and Vasudeva are found from the Nanaghat inscription. Vaishnavism was propagated in South India during the time of Eastern Chalukyas and Rashtrakutas of Vengi. The temple of Dashavatar in Ellora, established by Rashtrakoot king Dantidurg, is quite famous. Varaha avatar was the most popular among the avatars of Vishnu. The first mention of Varaha is in the Rig Veda. The first mention of Narayan is found in Satpat Brahman. The names of Tirumangai, Perai, Alvar, Andal and Namalvar are notable in the Bhakti movement of South. The saint king of Kerala, Kulashekhar, was a devotee of Vishnu. The worship of Vamana continued in the Alvars of the state of for a long time. They also worshipped Varaha. Shankar Dev introduced Vaishnavism in Assam and Cooch Behar. Heliodorus of Vesnagar inscription was a resident of Takshashila. This is the first notable evidence known of the Bhagavat religion. Islam religion. Founder Prophet Hazrat Muhammad. Birth Makkah 570 AD. Father's name Abdullah. Mother's name Amina. Achievement of knowledge Hira cave 610 AD near Makkah. Wife's name Khadija. Daughter's name Fatima. Son-in-law's name Ali Hussain. Holy book Quran. Death June 8, 632 AD, buried in Medina. The angel Gabriel communicated the Quran to the Prophet Muhammad in Arabic. After the death of Muhammad, Islam split into two sects, Shia and Sunni. Sunni are called those who believe in Sunnah. The Sunnah is a description of sayings and actions of Prophet Muhammad. Shias believe in the teachings of Hazrat Ali and considered him as the legitimate successor of Muhammad. Hazrat Ali was the son-in-law of Muhammad. Hazrat Ali was assassinated in 661 AD. Hussain Ali, son of Hazrat Ali, was also murdered in 680 AD place Karbala in Iran. The killing of these two gave Shia a definite form of opinion. The successor of Prophet Muhammad were called Khalifa in the world of Islam. This position remained till 1924 AD. In 1924, it was abolished by Turkish ruler Mustafa Kemal Pasha. For the first time, Ibn Ishaq wrote the biography of Prophet Muhammad. Eid Milad un Nabi festival is celebrated on the birthday of Prophet Muhammad. The mention of Muhammad's teaching and teachings is found in the holy book Quran. Christianity. Founder Jesus Christ. Birthplace Bethlehem, Jerusalem. Father's name Joseph. Mother's name Mary. First two disciples Andrews and Peter. Holy icon cross. Birthday Christmas 25th December. The Roman governor Pontius crucified Jesus in 33 AD. Jesus Christ spent the first 30 years of his life as a carpenter at Nazareth near Bethlehem. Christianity believes in the God Father, God Son, Jesus, God Holy Spirit. Rise of Magad Kingdom. Founder Brihadrath. Capital Giribraj, Rajgira. The founder of Haryank dynasty was Bimbisar in 545 BC. He ascended the throne of Magad and ruled for 52 years. Bimbisar built Rajgirh and made it his capital. Bimbisar sent his royal doctor Jivak to the service of Mahatma Buddha. Bimbisar resorted to matrimonial relations to expand his empire. He married the sister of Kausal king Prasenjit, the daughter of Chetak of Vaishali, Chelana, and the princess of Punjab, Shemvadra or Kshema. 493 BC, Bimbisar was murdered by his son Ajatashatru and himself ascended the throne of Magadha. The founder of the dominion of Magad was Ajatashatru, Kunik. I want to tell you, Bimbisar was named as Shrenik or Shreniya. In the same way, Ajatashatru was named as Kunik. He defeated the Lichvis of Vaishali and also defeated Kashi and Vajjisang and merged it into Magad Empire. During the reign of Ajatashatru, the first Buddhist council was organized in Saptaparni cave of Rajgirh, in which the teachings of Buddha was compiled in two Pitakas, Vinay Pitaka and Sutta Pitaka. In 461 AD, Ajatashatru was assassinated by his son Udayan. This Pitrahanta ruler is called, these are called Pitrahanta, mean patricides. Udayan founded the city named Pataliputra, Kusumpur, at the confluence of Ganga and Son rivers, made in its capital. Udayan was the follower of Jainism. The last ruler of Haryang dynasty was Udayan's son Nagadasaka. His Amatya Shishunag removed him from his throne in 412 AD BC and established Shishunag dynasty. Shishunag shifted his capital from Pataliputra and established Vaishali. Shishunag's successor Kalashok again made the capital Pataliputra. In the 10th years of Kalashok's reign, the second Buddhist council was organized in Vaishali. The last ruler of Shishunag dynasty was Nandivardhan, Mahanandin. The founder of Nanda dynasty was Mahapadmanand. In the Purans, Mahapadmanand was called Sarvarakshakantak, destroyer of Kshatriyas, and Bhargav, an incarnation of second Parshuram. Establishing a vast empire, he assumed the title of Ekrat or Ekchhatra. Mahapadmanand was the first ruler who hoisted the flag of Magad in the south of South Vindhya mountains. The last ruler of Nanda dynasty was Dhananand. He was a contemporary of Alexander. Chandragupta Maurya, with the help of Guru Chanakya, laid the foundation of the rule of Maurya dynasty by killing Dhananand. Alexander, birth 356 BC, father's name Philip, ruler of Macedonia, guru or teacher Aristotle, general Seleucus Nicator. Under the conquest of India, Alexander in 326 BC, after conquering Bactria, crossed the Hindu Kush mountain via Kabul. Ambi, the ruler of Takshashila, welcomed him with surrender and pledged him cooperation in further campaign. 326 BC in AD, Sikandar had the fight and the wars of Vitasta, the battle of Jhelum, with the Paurav Raja Porus on the banks of river Jhelum. Porus was defeated in his war. This war is also known the War of Hydaspes. Sikandar's soldier refused to cross Beas river for further campaign. Alexander founded two cities named Nikaya, Vijayanagar, and Bakufela, named after the horse. Alexander handed over the conquered Indian territories to his general Philip and returned and died in Babylon in 323 AD. The circulation of coins of Greek-influenced dynasty Kshatrap system or Uluk style started in India. Mauryan Empire. Chandragupta Maurya. Strabo, Arrian, Justin, Plutarch have called Chandragupta Maurya, the founder of Mauryan dynasty, as Centrocotus, which William Jones has identified with Chandragupta Maurya. Sir William Jones first identified Centrocotus with Chandragupta Maurya in 1793 AD. In Vishakdat Samudra Rakshas, Chandragupta has been called Vrishal or Koles. The Acharya of Takshila University was Chanakya. It was situated between the Indus and Jhelum river. Chanakya, Kautilya, Vishnugupta, the teacher of Chandragupta Maurya, propounded the Saptanga theory. Did According to him, the parts of the states are Raja, Amatya, Janpad, Fort, Kosh, Sena, Mitra. Machiavelli's The Prince can be compared with Kautilya's Arthashastra. Chandragupta's palace at Patliputra was mainly made of wood. Justin has called the army of Chandragupta a gang of bandits. This has described the meeting of Sandrakotas, Chandragupta Maurya, and Alexander the Great. Many names of Kautilya are mentioned in Abhidhan Chintamani. According to the Greek writer Plutarch, Chandragupta trampled the whole India and captured it with his army of 6 lakhs. Chandragupta Maurya sent Seleucus to 305 BC. After a treaty of Seleucus gave Chandragupta 4 provinces: Aria, Arachosia, Jadrosia, Peripemisdai, mean Kabul, Kandhar, Makran, Herat. In dowry, when Chandragupta married his daughter Cornelia, Apuleius described this war. According to Plutarch, Chandragupta also gifted 500 elephants to Seleucus. Seleucus sent his ambassador Megasthenes to the court of Chandragupta, who wrote his book Indica on Mauryan administration. When Chandragupta Maurya attacked Magad, at the time the ruler Dhananand was there. It is known that in the Girnar inscription of Pushyagupta Vaishya, the governor of Chandragupta had built the lake named Sudarshan. When there was famine in Magad for 12 years, Chandragupta Maurya left the kingdom and went to Shravanbelgola, Karnataka, along with the Jain Acharya Bhadrabahu. It was here that Chandragupta gave up his life after being restless. Bindusar. Bindusar's name was Amitraghat in Greek writings. He is called Bhadrasar in Vayu Puran and Singhasen in Jain text. According to Tibbeti Lama Taranath and Jain legend, Chanakya has also been Prime Minister of Bindusar. According to Strabo, the Syrian ruler of Antiochus sent an ambassador named Dimachus to the court of Bindusar. To suppress the rebellion of Takshila, Bindusar first sent Ashoka and secondly sent Susim. Historian Taranath has called Bindusar the ruler who conquered the land between 2 seas. According to Athenaeus, Bindusar had requested Antiochus, the ruler of Syria, to send sweet wine, dried figs, and a philosopher. The Syrian emperor had sent the first 2 items, and in relation to the third item, that is the philosopher, it was said that according to the Greek law, the philosopher could not be sold. After the death of Bindusar in 269 BC, Ashoka's coronation took place in Ashoka. According to Singhali's legend, Ashoka had attained the throne by killing 99 of his brothers. The same of the mother of Maurya Empire, Ashoka, was Subhadrangi. Ashoka, in the 8th year of his coronation in 261 BC, I attacked Kalinga. The ruler that time was Nandaraj. In the inscription of Maski, Gurjara, Netur, Udegulam, his name was found Ashoka, whereas the Puranas has been called Ashokavardhan. Ashok used Brahmi, Kharoshti and Greek Aramaic scripts in his inscription. The number of provinces at the time of Ashoka was 5. The provinces were called Chakras. The administrator of the province were called Kumars or Aryaputras or Rashtriyas. Before the coronation, Ashok was the governor of Ujjaini. According to the Kalnans Raj Tarangani, Ashok was the worshipper of Shiva and he founded a city named Srinagar on the banks of river Vitasta in Kashmir. Ashoka sent his mother Mahindra and daughter, his son Mahindra and daughter Sanghamitra to Sri Lanka to propagate Buddhism. The strongest proof of Ashoka's being a Buddhist is his small inscription in Bhabru, Bairat, Rajasthan, in which Ashoka clearly salutes Buddha, Dhamma and Sangha. These three were called the three Ratnas of Ashok. The definition of Dhamma is given by Ashok is taken from the Rahulabad Sutta. The code of conduct that Ashoka presented from the moral upliftment of the subject has been called Dhamma in his inscriptions. The seventh inscription of Ashoka is the longest and the Rumindai pillar inscription is the shortest. Two inscriptions of Ashoka are received from the Tarai of Nepal, Rumindai and Nigaliva or Nigali Sagar pillar inscription. The Rumindai inscription is related with the birth of Buddha. Mauryan Emperor Ashoka built the first hospital and medicine garden. The mention of the western powers, Yavan, Gandhar and Kamboj of Ashoka period is mentioned in the 5th and 13th inscription. It is known from the Rumindai inscription that on the occasion of Lumbini Yatra, Ashoka reduced the rate of land tax there from 1/8 to 1/6. According to Megasthenes, the administration of the city was done by a circle of member of 30 members, which was divided into 6 committees. Each committee had 5 members. In economics, the detective has been called mystery man, Good Purush. Megasthenes divided India society into 7 classes: philosophers, farmers, ahirs, artisans, soldiers, inspectors, counselors. The provinces were divided into subjects which were subordinate to Vijayapati. The smallest unit of administration was Gop, which was governed 10 villages. To assist the emperor, there was council of ministers in which the number of members was 12, 16, 20. Ashoka has been called Devanama Priya in the Musky small inscription. Ashoka's Kaushambi inscription is called Rani's inscription. According to Kautilya and Megasthenes, the bodyguard of the emperor were women. The language of common people of Mauryan period was Pali. Therefore, most of the inscriptions of Ashoka are written in this language. Ashoka gave 4 caves to Ajivaks in the Barabar hills and his son Dashrath in the Nagarjuni hills, namely Karja, Chauvar, Sudama and Vishwahat. The inscription of Ashoka can be compared with the inscription of Iranian ruler Darius I. In the Bhavastambh article, Ashoka had described himself as the emperor of Magad. Important events of Ashoka, life of Ashoka. Kaling War in the 8th year of Ashoka's consecration. Eclipse of Buddhism 9th year. Bodhi Yatra 10th year. Lumbini Yatra 20th year. According to Divyavdan, Ashoka adopted Buddhism only after being initiated by a monk named Upagupta. In 1750 AD, Tafthaler was the first to terrace the pillar of Ashoka, but James Prinsep succeeded in reading them in 1837 AD. Ashoka has declared the first separate inscription that all human beings are my children. Ashoka's contemporary was Singhal king Tissa, who also assumed the title of Dear of Gods. According to Pliny, the Egyptian king Philadelphus Ptolemy II sent an ambassador named Dionysius to Patliputra, the court of Ashoka. The convoy of merchant was called Sarthvaha. Death sentence was given for hiding hacks theft in Mauryan period. Bhag and Bali were the main sources of revenue during the Mauryan period. Ashoka has sent his son Mahendra and daughter Sanghamitra to Sri Lanka. Ashok built 84,000 stoops. The last ruler of Mauryan dynasty was Brihadrath, who was assassinated in 185 BC. It was done by his general Pushyamitra Shunga. Dhamma Mahamatra, new officer who used to create interest in public towards Dhamma. Yukta, district officer. Rajuk, land meter and judicial officer. Sita Adhyaksh is the head of state agriculture department. Acharya Adhyaksh, president of mines. Akar Adhyaksh. Signature, the currency of issuing officer. Roopji, women doing prostitution freely. Brahmadeh, land donated by the king to teachers, priests and Brahmins. Agronomy, special officer of road construction. Institution organized in one place, an organization that conducts intelligence. Roopdarsh, the officer who examines currency. Communication, a roaming spy organization. Regional district magistrate, territory of the economy. Cancellation, criminal code, in charge of weighing and measuring. Provincial administration. Uttarapath, North Takshila. Avantipath, West Ujjaini. Prachapath, South Suvarnagiri. Central Province, Patliputra. Administrative officers. Nagarak, the officer in charge of city administration. Sita Adhyaksh, supervised agriculture. Panadhyaksh, superintendent of commerce. Samastyadhyaksh, superintendent of market. Potwadhyaksh, superintendent of weight and measures. Navadhyaksh, superintendent of ships. Shulkadhyaksh, collector of tolls. Akaradhyaksh, superintendent of mines. Lohadhyaksh, superintendent of iron. Amatyas, secretaries. Sannidhata, chief treasury officer. Samaharta, the collector of general revenue. Durgapal, governor of fort. Antapal, governor of frontier. Akshapatal, accountant general. Vach Bhumika, officer in charge of rest of houses. Lipikars, scribers. Pillar inscriptions of Ashoka. The number of pillars article is 7, which have been found engraved at 6 different places. 1. Delhi Topra. Initially it was located in Saharanpur district of Uttar Pradesh. Firoz Shah Tughlaq had brought it to Delhi. There are 7 inscriptions of Ashoka inscribed on it. Delhi Meerut. Initially it was in Meerut. Firoz Shah Tughlaq brought it into Delhi. Lauria Araraj is located in Champaran district, Bihar. Lauria Nandangarh, it was also located in Champaran, Bihar district. Rampurwa, it is located in Champaran district. Prayag, it was first in Kaushambi, later kept in Allahabad fort by Akbar. Post-Mauryan period, Shunga dynasty 185-75 BC. Establishment of this dynasty in 185 BC, the Maurya general Pushyamitra Shunga killed the last Mauryan Bridrat, emperor. The capital of rulers of Shunga dynasty was Vidisha. This is an important fact. Pushyamitra Shunga was a staunch Brahmanical. He performed 2 Ashwamedh yagnas. This is very important fact. Patanjali was the priest of that Ashwamedh yagna. This is also a very important fact. Pushyamitra Shunga destroyed 84,000 stup built by Ashoka. This is not a correct fact actually. This is considered to be done, but if you will see the history and go to Sanchi, there are 3 stups. One is built by Ashoka, which is the larger one, and there are 2 more small stups, which was built in the time of Pushyamitra Shunga. So we can't say the particular fact like that. Barhut stup was built by Pushyamitra Shunga. So see, this is the contradiction in this fact. During the reign of 9th ruler of the Shunga dynasty, Bhagbhadra, Heliodorus, the ambassador of Yavan ruler Antiochus, erected the Garud pillar in the honor of Vasudeva in Vidisha. Garud pillar of Heliodorus is the first stone monument related to Hinduism. The last ruler of Shunga dynasty was Devabhuti. There was revival of Sanskrit language in the Shunga period. Maharshi Patanjali had a special contribution in its upliftment. Kanva dynasty 75 to 30 BC. The last ruler of Shunga dynasty, Devabhuti, died in 73 BC. Vasudeva established the Kanva dynasty in Magad by killing him. The last ruler of Kanva dynasty was Susharma. Satvahan dynasty. Establishment of Satvahan dynasty in 60 BC. Simukh did it. Simukh was the first Satvahan ruler. The Satvahan rulers established their capital at Pratishthan. Shatkarni I was the first able ruler of the Satvahan dynasty. The knowledge of its achievement comes from the Nashik inscription of Nainika. In the Purans, Shatkarni I is said to be the son of Krishna. He performed 2 Ashwamedh yagna and 1 Rajsu yagna. Totally, Shatkarni I got the Malava style round coins and silver coins engraved in its name of his wife. Satvahan ruler Hal composed a free poem in Prakrit language called Gatha Saptashati. Gautami's son Shatkarni was 23rd greatest ruler of his dynasty. He defeated the Shakas and shattered the wrath of Kshatriya rulers. The kingdom of Gautami's son Shatkarni probably extended from Malwa in the north to Karnataka in the south. Gautami's son Vasishti's son Pulamavi became the king. It is also called the first Andhra emperor. Pulamavi made his capital at Pathan or Pratishthan on the banks of river Godavari in Aurangabad district of Andhra Pradesh. Yagshri Shatkarni was the last ruler of Satvahan dynasty. Yagshri Shatkarni was a lover of business and sailing. There are pictures of ships on his coins. Roman coins found in large numbers indicate growing trade. Most of the coins of Satvahan rulers were of lead. They also introduced coins of putti, copper and bronze. The Satvahans were the first ruler to give land grants or jagirs to Brahmins, but they gave most of the land donation to Buddhist monks only. Silver and copper coins were used in the trading business during the Satavahan period, which was called Kasharpan. Districts were called Ahar in the time of Ashoka. The language of the Satavahan rulers was Prakrit and the script was Brahmi. The most famous Chaitya is Chaitya of Karle in the western Deccan. The most famous of the stupas is Stupa of Amravati. The society of Satavahan was matriarchal. It was customary to name their kings after their mothers, that is Gautami Putra Shatkarni, Vasishti Putra Pulamavi. The Satavahan dynasty was patriarchal as the son was their heir to the throne. Yavan states of India. The order of foreign invaders who invaded India, Indo-Greek, Shak, Pallav, Kushan. Indo-Greeks. The credit of first entering the Indian border goes to Demetrius I. This took place in 183 BC. By conquering some part of Punjab, he made Shakal, Sialkot, his capital. Demetrius assumed the title of the king of Indians and issued coins in both Greek and Kharoshti scripts. After Demetrius, Eucratides conquered parts of India and made Takshila as his capital. Menander, 160 to 120 BC, was the most famous Yavan ruler. It provided stability to Greek power in India. Menander took initiation of Buddhism from Nagasen Nagarjun. The first gold coin was issued in India by Menander. The first Indo-Greek ruler issued inscription coins and gold coins. The symbol of Dharmachakra is found on the bronze coins of the minaret. The first invasion of Yavanas in India took place during the time of Pushyamitra Shung, which is mentioned in Gargi Samhita and Malvika Agnimitra. The influence of Greek and Roman art is clearly visible on the statue of Buddha, Bodhisattva of Gandhar and Mathura. Shaks. The Shak was originally from Central Asia. They called themselves Kshatraps. The Shak were divided into 5 branches, in which the first in Afghanistan, the second in Punjab, capital Takshashila, the third in Mathura, the fourth in western India, and the fifth branch established their dominance in Upper Deccan. The Shak kings of India called themselves Kshatraps, and the Shak rulers had 2 branches in India, northern Kshatrap, who belonged to Takshila and Mathura, and western Kshatrap, who belonged to Nasik and Ujjain. The famous ruler of Shaks was Rudradaman I, 130 to 150 BC, who ruled Sindh, Konkan Valley, Malwa, Kathiawar, and a large part of Gujarat. Rudradaman repaired the famous Sudarshan Lake in the semi-arid region of Kathiawar situated in Girnar mountain. Rudradaman was a great lover of Sanskrit. He was the first to issue the Junagadh inscription in Sanskrit language. The last ruler of this dynasty was Rudra Singh III. Pallav. The original abode of Parthians or Pallav people was Iran. In Indian sources, they are called Pallav. The most powerful ruler of the dynasty was Gondophares, 20 to 41 AD. It issued Takht-e-Bahi inscription in Kharoshti script. Saint Thomas came to India to preach Christianity during the reign of Gondophares. This is very important fact. Mithridates, it was a real founder of Pallav power in India. The first Parthian ruler was Mauz. Kushan. The Kushans came after the Parthians. The original place of residence was Turkestan, Central Asia, located on the border of China. The founder of Kushan dynasty was Kujul Kadphises. The Kushan kings were called Devaputra. The Kushan took this title from Chinese. From the Vim Kadphises established the Kushan power in India and the first issued gold coins in large quantities. Vim Kadphises was follower of Shaivism. The figure of Shiva, Nandi and Trishul are also found on his coins. The most prolific ruler of Kushan dynasty was Kanishk. Kanishk was a follower of Madhyan branch of Buddhism. Kanishk is famous in history for two reasons. First, he started the Shak era in 78 AD. Even today, this era is in use by the government of India. Second, he nurtured and protected Buddhism with a free heart. Kanishk's first capital was Peshawar, Purushpur, and second capital was Mathura. Kanishk conquered Kashmir and established a city of Kanishkpur. Gandhar style and Mathura style were developed during the reign of Kanishk. The collection of Kushan period sculptures is in abundance in Mathura Museum. Takshila is famous for Gandhar art. The most famous of the rulers who controlled the Silk Road were the Kushans. There was a system of security on the routes in the Kushan Empire. The Silk Road was started by Kanishk. The technology of silk making was first developed in China. Kanishk built a stup and vihar in Peshawar in which the ashes of Buddha were enshrined. The idols of Buddha, Indra, Brahma and Kanishk were also found in the stup during excavation. During the time of Kanishk, the fourth Buddhist council was organized under the chairmanship of Vasumitra in Kundalwan of Kashmir. He composed the Buddhist Ramayana, Buddha Charitra. Kanishk poet was Ashwaghosh. He composed the Buddha Charit, the Ramayana of Buddhists. Kanishk Rajyaved was renowned scholar of Ayurveda Charak. He composed Charak Sahita. Buddhist philosophers like Parsva, Vasumitra, Ashwaghosh, Mahacheta, Sangharaksha, Nagarjuna also resided in this court. The author of Mahavibhasha Sutra is Vasumitra. This is called the Encyclopedia of Buddhism. Nagarjuna is called Einstein of India. He presented the theory of relativity in his book Madhyamik Sutra. The last ruler of Kushan dynasty was Vasudeva. Kanishk was defeated by Chinese general Pen Chao. Sangam Age. First of all, the Sangam literature gives clear light on the life of the far south. In the literature of this time, there is mention of three important kingdoms, Cher, Chol, Pandya. The Sangam was an association of troupe of Tamil poets. These associations or councils were organized under the patronage of Pandya rulers. Tirukampulayar was the confluence of three kingdoms of Cher, Chol, Pandya. According to the details received, 197 Pandya kings provided protection to these Sangams. The first Sangam was held in Madurai under the chairmanship of sage Agastya. Tolkappiyam, the first book of Tamil grammar and ornamentation, was composed in this era. Like the scriptures, 8 types of marriages are also mentioned in this grammar book. It is known from the Sangam literature that the sages Agastya and Kaundinya discussed the element of Aryan civilization in south. The most ancient lineage, Cher, gets the most mention in Sangam, which was completed under the patronage of Pandyas. Shilpadikaram is the great importance of Sangam period medieval poetry. These are given Sangams, Sangam regions, Tamil Sangams. Cher state. The founder of the Cher state during the Sangam period was Udayan Jeral. The emblem of Cher dynasty was bow. The Cher empire is the oldest in the Sangam period. Udayan Jeral Adhiraj was the first ruler of this dynasty. He had given food to the heroes who participated in the war of Mahabharata. Nedun Jeral Adin made Marandai his capital. He imprisoned the Yavan traders on the Malabar coast and defeated the local enemies. Shane Guttuvan, Pius Guttuvan, is also called Red Chair. According to the Tamil epic Shilpadikaram, Shane Guttuvan was the founder of Patani sect related to the worship of goddess of virginity, Chola kingdom. The founder of Sangam era Chol kingdom was Karikal, 190 AD. The early capital of Chol was North Manlur. Later Uriur and Tanjavur also became capitals. The earliest mention of Chol was made by Katayan. Symbol of was tiger. The Chol kingdom, popularly known as Kalli, Vallavan, Sembidas and Senai, was situated between the Pennar and Vellaru rivers in eastern Tamil Nadu. Karikal was the most important ruler of the Chol kings. It was the period is believed to be around 190 AD. Karikal established the coastal capital of Chols at Puhar, modern Kaveri Pattanam, and travelled 160 km of the banks of the river Kaveri, built a long dam. He defeated 9 kings in the battle of Vaha Parandalai. The Chol ruler Karikala made maximum development in the agricultural sector. Pandya kingdom. The founder of Pandya kingdom of the Sangam period was Nedoin. The official symbol of Pandya was fish. The Pandya was first mentioned by Megasthenes. He has written in his description that the Pandya kingdom was ruled by the daughter of Heracle. The kingdom was famous for pearls. The most famous of Pandya rulers was Nedujelian. His fame came as a result of his victory in the battle of Talaya Langanam. The Pandya kings benefited from trade with the Roman emperor. Nedujelian also sent his messenger to court of Roman emperor Augustus. First capital of Pandyas was Korkai, was later shifted to Madurai. The Pandya ruler Nedoyan first started the worship of the ocean. Confluence port, east coast, Kaveri Pattanam, Puhar, Korkaya, Kadokai, Kuduk. West coast, Tondi, Musiri, Muziris, Nelsida, Nirapayas, Nira, Sopara, Kudumanam. Intercaste marriages and slavery were prevalent in Sangam society. In relation to trade of Sangam period, light is shed from the Pericles of Erythenes. By this time, direct trade route between Tamilkam and Arabia, Egypt and Rome had been established. Murugan was the best god of Tamil. Later, Murugan's name is Subramanyam. Mariamma, Parshuram's mother, was Sheetala's mother, related to smallpox. Farmer used to worship Marudam, Indradev. Indra was especially worshipped in the annual festival of Pohar. And the supreme court of the king was the assembly, Manram of the king. Raj birthday was celebrated every year, which was called Perunal. The Sangam age was divided into 4 classes. These varnas were Arsar, ruler, Adanar, Brahmin, Venigar, Vellar, farmer. The Tamil text Kural has been given the name of Laghu Veda. The author of Tamil Ramayana or Ramavtaran was Kamban. Gupta Empire. The rise of Gupta Empire took place at Kaushambi near Prayag at the end of 3rd century. Gupta Empire. The rise of Gupta Empire took place at Kaushambi near Prayag at the end of the 3rd century. The Guptas were probably feudatories of Kushanas. The Gupta dynasty was founded by Shri Gupta 240 to 280 AD. The second ruler of the Gupta dynasty was Ghatotkacha Gupta 280 to 320 AD. It was Chandragupta who gave prestige to the empire of Gupta dynasty and started a new Gupta era, 319 AD. ये डेट याद रखनी है. Chandragupta was the first ruler of the Gupta dynasty who assumed the title of Maharaj Adhiraj. He married the Lichvi princess Kumara Devi. There was a gap of 241 years between the Gupta era 390 20 AD and Shak era 78 AD. In the Gupta dynasty, Chandragupta first was the first to get the silver currencies circulated. After Chandragupta first, his son Samudragupta became the ruler. During the period of Gupta Empire expanded the most. The first Gupta ruler to assume the title of Param Bhagavat was Samudragupta. The first source of Samudragupta's history is the Prayag pillar inscription, in which the title Dharma Prachar Bandhu is mentioned. The Prayag pillar inscription was ordered by Mughal Emperor Akbar from Kaushambi and kept safe in fort of Allahabad. The article of Birbal and Jahangir is also found in Prayag pillar inscription. It was written purely in Brahmi script and Sanskrit language. Gupta's king and their coins. Chandragupta, Maharaj Adhiraj, king of the king, Kumar Devi type. Samudragupta, Kaviraj, Prayag Prashasti, Ashwamegh, Vikram, Param Bhagavat, Sarva Rajocheta. Dhanurdhari, Archer Garud, X, Ashwamegh, Vyagharan, Veena Vadan. Chandragupta II, विक्रमादित्य, शकारी, देवगुप्त, देवश्री, देवराज, नरेंद्र, चंद्र सिंह, विक्रम, परम भागवत एक्सेट्रा। अश्वारोही, छत्रधारी, चक्र विक्रम टाइप। कुमारगुप्त, महेंद्रादित्य, अश्वमेघ, महेंद्र, महेंद्र सिंह। गजारोही, खड्गारी, गजारोही, सिंह निहंता, खंग निहंता, कार्तिकेय, अप्रतीक मुद्रा टाइप। स्कंदगुप्त, विक्रमादित्य, क्रमादित्य, परम भागवत ऑन कॉइन्स। शक्रपौमा, काहुम पिलर इंस्क्रिप्शन। देवराज, आर्या मंजुश्री मूल कल्पम, आर्चर किंग एंड क्वीन, छत्र एंड हॉर्समैन टाइप। लिटरेरी बुक्स, ऑथर एंड बुक्स। शूद्रक, मृच्छकटिकम, भारवी, कीरतार्जुनियम। दंडिन, दश कुमार चरितम एंड काव्य दर्शन। भास, स्वप्नवासव दत्ता, चारु दत्ता। विशाख दत्त, मुद्रा राक्षस, देवी चंद्रगुप्तम। विष्णु शर्मा, पंचतर्त एंड हितोपदेश। अमर सिंह, अमरकोश। ईश्वर कृष्ण, सांख्य कनिका। वात्सायन, कामसूत्र। भट्टिन, रावणवध। वारामिहिर, पंच सिद्धांत का विरत संहिता। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, Chandragupta defeated 9 kings in which Achyut, Nagasen and Ganapati Gana were prominent. Samudragupta defeated 12 kings in the battle of Dakshinapath but again made them free. This eclipse is called Moksha Anugrah in Dakshinapath. Samudragupta performed the Ashwamedh Yagya after his victories. Historian Vincent Arthur Smith called Samudragupta Indian Napoleon. Samudragupta is also called Kaviraj. He was a poet, musician and patron of learning. On his coins he is depicted playing the veena. Samudragupta court poet was Harishen and also patronized Vasubandhu. That is what composed the Allahabad Prashasti or Prayag Prashasti article. Samudragupta was a worshipper of Vishnu. He assumed the title of Vikramank after Samudragupta. Chandragupta II or Vikramaditya became the most important and powerful ruler. The other names of Chandragupta II was Devagupta, Devraj, Devshri, and the titles were Vikramank, Vikramaditya, Param Bhagavat, etc. Chandragupta II married the serpent princess Kuber Naga. Chandragupta II married his daughter Prabhavati Gupta to the Vakatak king Rudrasen II. The purpose of Chandragupta II, in the words of Udaygiri caves, was total, conquering the earth. Chandragupta introduced silver coins in Shaka states to commemorate the defeat of Shakas. Indian legends remember Chandragupta as Shakari. Navratan of Chandragupta II. Kalidas, Dhanvantari, Khapanak, Amar Singh, शंकु, बेटल भट्ट, घाटक पर, वारामिहिर, वरुचि. A king named Chandra has been identified with Chandragupta II. Chandragupta was devout Vaishnav who assumed the title of Param Bhagavat and Vikramaditya. Chandragupta's secretary was Veer Sen Shaiv. Chandragupta's commander Amrakardava was a Buddhist. During the time of Chandragupta II, the Chinese traveler Fayan came to India who called Madhya Pradesh to the country of Brahmins. Chinese writer referred to India by the name of Yintu. After Chandragupta II, Kumargupta I sat on the throne of Gupta Empire. The description of the rule of Kumargupta is found in Wilsard inscription. Kumargupta's young brother Gobind Gupta was the governor of Basad, Vaishali. Most of the records of Gupta rulers are found in Kumargupta. The first invasion of Huns, a barbaric race living in Central Asia, took place in the time of Skandagupta. Nalanda University was established during the reign of Kumargupta. The university is called Oxford of Mahayana Buddhism. It was the oldest university in India. The coins of Kumargupta show that the performed of Aswamedh Yagya. Skandagupta became the ruler after the death of Kumargupta. Skandagupta was a skilled administrator. He was able to build the temple under the Sudarshan lake of Girnar mountain. The task of revival was entrusted to Chakrapalit, son of Parandatta, the governor of Saurashtra. Skandagupta appointed Parandatta as the governor of Saurashtra. Skandagupta sent an ambassador to the court of Chinese Song emperor in 466. Skandagupta had shifted his capital to Ayodhya for administrative convenience. Huns attacked during the empire time of Skandagupta. The last Gupta ruler was Vishnugupta. The greatest officer of Gupta empire was Kumaramatya. The largest territorial unit of the region, which was ruled by the emperor himself, was the country. The administration of the country was called Gupta. The provinces of state were called Bhuktis. They were also called Prasad or Bhog. The provincial rulers were appointed by the emperor and were called Uparik, Gupta, Bhogpati, Rajasthani. The chief officer of administration was called Purpal, Nagar, Rakshak, Drangik. The smallest unit of administration was the village. Its highest official was the Grampati or Mahattar. There were many villages under the subject. The existence of Pate village group is found between the village and the subject. The king had standing army. There were four main parts of the army: Padati, Stharohi, Equestrian, and Gaj Sena. In the Gupta period, the tax was collected from 1/4 to 1/6 part. Sources of revenue. Part about 1/6 of the land yield, bhog of the offering of fruits, flowers, vegetables, etc. to the king daily, udrak a type of land tax, surcharge a type of land tax, Bhutavat Pratyat, tax imposed on import of foreign goods. Tax were paid both in form of Hiranya cash and Maya food. The land which was donated to temples and Brahmin were called Agrahar Bhumi, such land was free from taxes. The caste first mentioned in Yagyavalk Smriti. Widow marriage is supported by Narad and Parashar Smriti. Slavery existed during the Gupta period. Narad was mentioned 15 types of Manu has mentioned 7 types of slaves. The first archival evidence of practice of sati is mentioned in the Aran inscription of woman of general named Gopraj being sati. There were 12 types of land mentioned in Amarkosh. Ganj area suitable land for cultivation. There are total 8 waves in Kalyan's Rajtarangani. Vastu, habitable land. Blooms, the land that was not plowed. Aprahar, uncultivated wild land. Land suitable for pasture animals. Mandsaur inscription shows that the line of silk weavers had built a grand sun temple. In the Gupta period, there was a committee of merchants called Nigam, the head of the corporation of called Sreshti. 16 piles of coins have been found from different parts of Gupta Empire, the most important of which is bundle of Bayana, Bharatpur region. Gold coins are called dinars in Gupta inscription. At all times, Tamarlipti was the main port in Bengal, from where trade with countries like China, Sri Lanka, Java, Sumatra, etc. was done. The main port of western India was Bharikuch, Bharoch, from where sea trade with west countries took place. Worship of Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh, Shiva started in Gupta period under Trimurti. The temple of Udaygiri was built by Chandragupta Vikramaditya's general Veer Sen. The huge idol of Vara avatar of Vishnu has been installed in Guha temple of Udaygiri. Ajanta and Bagh caves are important in Buddhist cave temples. Cave number 16, 17, 19 of Ajanta are believed to be Gupta period. Ajanta caves are located in Maharashtra. Their number is 27. Aryabhatta first propounded the theory of nihilism in Gupta period. Said that earth revolves around the sun and it spins on its axis. In the 6th century, Vagbhatta composed the famous text of Ayurveda, Ashtanga Hridaya. Dhanvantri, a scholar and doctor of Ayurveda, lived in the court of Chandragupta Vikramaditya. The state symbol of Gupta dynasty was Garuda. Ramayana and Mahabharata were finally edited in the Gupta period. Pushyabhuti dynasty. After the fall of Gupta Empire, Pushyabhuti or Vardhan dynasty was established by Pushyabhuti or Thaneshwar in Ambala district of Haryana. This new dynasty was related to Vaishya caste. The early kings of dynasty were Narvardhan, Rajyavardhan, Adityavardhan, Bhaskar-Varman, Rajyavardhan, second Harshvardhan. Prabhakar-Vardhan was the originator of the independence of this dynasty. He assumed titles like Param Bhattarak, Maharaja Dhiraj. In Harsh Charit, Prabhakar-Vardhan has been called Hun Harinka Kesari. Two sons, Rajyavardhan II, Harshvardhan and a daughter Rajyashri were born from Prabhakar Vardhan's wife Yashomati. Rajyashri's marriage with Mokri Naresh, Grihvarman of Kannauj, was said to be complete. Devgupta, the ruler of Malwa, along with Shashank, the ruler of Bengal, killed Mokri ruler Grihvarman of Kannauj and took his wife Rajyashri as a prisoner. Hearing this incident, Rajyavardhan went to take revenge of Devgupta and Shashank. He was successful in defeating Devgupta, but Shashank deceived him to death. In these circumstances, Harsh sat on the throne of Thaneshwar. Harshvardhan ascended the throne, remember this date, 606 AD, at the age of 16. The initial capital of Harshvardhan was Thaneshwar. Later it established its capital at Kannauj. In ancient times, Kannauj was known as Kanyakubj and Madhya. Harshvardhan took revenge on Shashank and spread his power to other states of northern India. Harshvardhan Empire extended from Thaneshwar to Narmada river in its south and from Ganjam in east and Vallavi in the west. Harsh married the daughter of Dhruvsen II, the ruler of Vallavi. It is known from the Aihole inscription that the Batapi ruler Pulkesin II was defeated Harshvardhan. Harshvardhan is called the last Hindu emperor. Harshvardhan himself was a scholar. He wrote 3 books, namely Naganand, Ratnavali and Priyadarshika. Banbhat was the court poet of Harshvardhan who wrote Harishcharit and Kadambari. During the reign of Harshvardhana, the Chinese traveller Huinsang came to India for excursion. Huinsang is called the prince among the travellers, the scholars of policy and the present Sakya Muni. Huinsang studied at Nalanda University. He has completed his travel memoirs in his book C.U. Ki. Harshvardhan was the worshipper of Surya, Shiv, Buddha. Its other name was Shiladitya. Harshvardhan used to call a big meeting every 50 years to donate. It was called Moksha Parishad. Its 6th session was held in 635 AD at Prayag. This is very important. Its chief officer included Singhnath General, Kuntal head of horses army, Skandagupta head of Hastasena, Feudal was head of civil administration. In the Harshcharit, Harshvardhan is said to be the combined incarnation of all gods. He sent a Brahmin messenger to the court of Chinese king Tai Sung. In response, the Chinese king sent a messenger named Liang Hui Qing. Harshvardhan's Rajyaved was Susain. So this was all in ancient India. Now we will start pre-medieval history. Pre-medieval history in our next session. Till that, goodbye.